Hello everyone, I'm Slayer. Today I'll show you how to generate QR code in Canva. If you are ready, let's get started. Click on Create in the top left and type logo in the search bar and click on Logo. On the page that opens, scroll down the left side and click on Apps. Then type QR in the search bar and select one. There are multiple apps, so I'll choose the simple one. Click Open. Paste the link you want to convert into a QR code into the URL section. You can also change the color, background color, and margin of your QR code by clicking Customize. As the last step, click Generate Code. To download your QR code, click on Share in the top right. Click Download. Click Download again. Downloaded successfully. I hope you found a how to generate QR code in Canva tutorial helpful. If so, please subscribe to the Slayer YouTube channel and like the video. Have a great day.